What's going on, everybody? It's time to talk about Cardano. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, my name's Zach. We talk about all things crypto all the time, every single day, right here on this channel. So do all the fun stuff down there. Tap the like button, subscribe down there as well. You're not going to want to miss what we put out, especially during this crypto bull run. And speaking of a crypto bull run, we've talked about Cardano and how important it was to break through 60 cents. And in this video, I want to kind of revisit something we had talked about. Of course, we've had a nice breakthrough. We've crossed over 70 cents for the first time in a long time, actually crossed over 75 cents as we're currently on our push to $1. In terms of the bull market, we've talked about this for months and months on end. Around a $5 to $8 price target for Cardano is where I see us going here at the top of the bull market. Keep in mind, after Bitcoin halvings, usually we see the biggest gains. Altcoins especially, right, run hard late in the market after everybody's made their money on Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the top guns. That money starts to trickle down, and I think Cardano is really, really well positioned to experience a big boom because of a few reasons, guys. They've done a fantastic job in this previous bear market that we were in for a long time, seemingly forever. But they did a phenomenal job with various upgrades. They brought a ton of new developers in. The TVL has climbed, and they have not stopped building. And when we take a look at Cardano's price rally, potentially to $8, by the way, a couple different analysts out there suggest that Cardano was on the brink of a breakout, and this was when we were sitting right at 60 cents. And the idea was that they could go all the way to 80 cents. That has happened perfectly. It has literally played out perfectly. So shout out to Ali Martinez, who suggested this back on February 16th. It's exactly how this is played out. And he furthermore says, in this cyclical pattern, forecasting Cardano is very difficult, but he sees a potential to get to $8 by January 2025, which would be insane. Now, Cardano's native crypto, of course, ADA, has very much participated in the broader crypto market rally here as of late. And we have seen tons of volume really ramp up in some of the top ecosystems, top layer ones. And according to Masari's recent report, Cardano's total value locked has surged already 200% quarter over quarter here in the first quarter of 2024 compared to the last quarter of 2023. When we think about TVL or total value locked, that's basically a good measure for what people feel about that ecosystem. If they're locking up their funds in that ecosystem for a really long time or staking, that means they really have a lot of confidence in that ecosystem. And we know that Cardano's community is one of the best communities in all of crypto. And that's not changed at all, even through the ups and downs of the market. Now, Cardano has achieved another remarkable milestone as of late. It has outperformed some of the financial institutions with the emergence of its stablecoin ecosystem. Don't forget about ZED. ZED was a big stablecoin, algorithmic stablecoin that was built on top of the Cody network. Cody has been crushing it too. And this is an area for Cardano that's certainly an area to watch, because if they're able to nail down this stablecoin in the algorithmic way, unlike Terra Luna was, this could bring a lot more money into the Cardano ecosystem. ZED as a stablecoin has done really, really well since its launch. And again, there are a ton of Cardano projects in DeFi and outside of the decentralized finance realm, whether it's gaming or any other sector. Cardano has it all. You can look at that at cardanocube.io. The ecosystem itself is growing, and we're seeing projects like Cody absolutely explode as well. It's certainly one to look at if you guys haven't checked out that one yet. So for Cardano, I think it's going really well right now, and we're starting to get ramped up a little bit in this bull cycle. We're starting to see some of the OG cryptos finally make those moves, and Cardano is here for the long term. We just had ETH Denver. We know Charles Hoskinson was out there. They're doing things different in the smart contract space. I look at it as a really nice investment alongside Ethereum. A lot of people believe that you have to pick one or the other. I think having a different kind of approach in that, hey, I want a little piece of two different smart contract platforms. I like that because it's diversifying out my portfolio. Cardano is much different than Ethereum. It's a reason why Hoskinson left. And I want to have exposure to both these assets as we head into the crypto bull market. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely. Any breaking news we see on Cardano, I'll be here for you to talk about it. Just wanted to give you my general thoughts right now on Cardano. Super excited to hold a lot of ADA and very thrilled that it's a top 5 holding of mine after this positive price action that we've recently seen. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.